really think you should bring up IMC at the meeting today.
Okay, I will. I'll bring up IMC, but you're gonna back me up.
I've gone over the IMC agenda backwards and forwards. I'm ready.
Okay, great meeting, gentlemen. Our defect elimination program is moving along quite well.
It's amazing. We have saved $45,000 in revamping our MRO department alone. Well, IMC. Tell her about IMC.
Margaret, I just heard Amazon has surpassed Walmart in retail sales. Isn't that amazing?
Really? Wow. It's hard to believe anyone could compete with them, let alone overtake them in retail sales.
Digital transformation, ma'am. Digital transformation.
What do you mean? Imagine if you had a friend asking you for your address to visit, and he brought a paper map with him, and he was trying to find your house with it. That's obsolete because all the maps are digital and on your phone.
Exactly. Everything is going to a digital platform.
This is happening in our industry too. People are calling it the fourth industrial revolution, the digital transformation of the industrial world. That's why it's so brilliant that Reliability Web.
The people you took the CRL workshop from?
Yes, they've curated an amazing conference. It's the International Maintenance Conference, and it's co-located with Reliability 4.0 Digital Transformation.
Wow. Yeah, wow. Not only is it IMC with lots of sessions on infrared thermography, data management for bearing reliability, maximizing oil sample diagnostics through integrated sensor and laboratory data, high frequency vibration and process data, all the latest and greatest for the maintenance community.
They also have it all connected to digital transformation.
Yeah, sessions like how to accelerate your digital transformation, thinking holistically in software selection.
Well, Will, we do have several new people on the team, and I really like this new reliability culture that you're creating, and I really want them integrated into that.
Margaret, I really think this conference is important for us. If we can start using technology to automate and, for example, make asset health monitoring practically instantaneous by 25% or even 5%, we'll jump way ahead of our competition. Reliability Web has especially designed the Expo with digital transformation in mind. It's not only focused on technical maintenance. There will be solution providers in the Expo who are the best of the best at helping us along our digital transformation journey.
It's a win-win all around.
Wow, look at this resort. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, and it's super clean. The hotel has full CDC protocols in place. And it's on the beach in Florida in December, when it's freezing cold everywhere else.
I will say, when you mentioned going to a conference, all kinds of red flags just kind of popped up in my brain. As you know, I have a background in risk assessment, but hearing this and what's at stake, what we will stand to gain and stand to lose out on, I'd be crazy not to go.
Well, great. I hope you have a really good time, Margaret, and tell us all about it.
Oh, we're all going. We'll find a way to make it work. We're all going to IMC.